Hello, I'm Chris. You just get used to dealing with one mini roundabout and then two come along in a row. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to deal with double mini roundabouts. When approaching a mini roundabout, you might see a warning sign and then this blue circular sign. The mini roundabout is straight after this. Look out for the giveaway markings. Treat the two mini roundabouts as two separate roundabouts, and a slow approach definitely helps, as it gives you more thinking time. I'm turning right at the first roundabout and then ahead at the second roundabout. Let's tackle the first one. I'll check my mirrors, then signal right. Here are the giveaway markings, and I've got to give way to any traffic approaching from my immediate right. But I'm not going to stare to the right, because I also need to look where I'm going, and it's well worth a check to the left, just in case someone pulls out when they shouldn't. At the next roundabout I'm going ahead, so I need to make sure the indicator cancels. Here are the giveaway markings, give way to the right, and it's all clear. Always drive round mini roundabouts, unless you're towing a trailer, driving a large vehicle, or there's an obstruction, such as a parked car. This time I'm going to follow the road ahead at both the mini roundabouts. Give way to the right, all clear. Now I'm checking if the next one is also clear. Look out for the giveaway lines at the next roundabout. Clear to the right. No signal was needed on approach to both of those roundabouts, as I was following the road ahead, and there normally isn't enough time to signal when leaving a mini roundabout. Let's do some more. I'm turning right at the first roundabout and left at the second roundabout. Check mirrors, signal, give way to the right. Be prepared to slow down and select first gear if it's difficult to see to the right or if the roundabout is really tight. I'll steer left a little to get round the roundabout. Mirror checks, signal left, keep left, clear to the right. I'm turning right at the first mini roundabout and then left at the second mini roundabout. As usual, always look out for cyclists who are harder to see and they might not use arm signals. Plan ahead and be ready for what's after the roundabout. Now I'm going to follow the road ahead at both the mini roundabouts. Check my mirrors, slow down, don't just look to the right, but also where you're driving. Ready for the next one, give way to the right again, all clear. Look out for drivers that use the mini roundabout for a U-turn and go all the way around the mini roundabout and back the way they came. This time I'm following the road ahead at the first mini roundabout and left at the second mini roundabout. The oncoming cars are going ahead, so I can go. Be aware that not all drivers drive round roundabouts how they should. Watch this video next if you're unsure which lane to choose at big roundabouts. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. In the meantime, keep safe on the road and bye for now.